Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to our fourth Noorani Qaida practice exercise. I know that we have been doing quite a few of these exercises and you most probably are dying to move on to the next lesson, but we need to get our foundation strong when it comes to learning our letters and recognizing the letters and knowing the sounds of the letters. So the more we practice, the better we will become. And moving forward, inshallah, we will have a very good, strong background when it comes to identifying our Arabic letters. So let's get right into it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we are going to continue from where we left off, which was from this point over here. And then we're going to be ending off there, inshallah. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ha, kho, dal, dal, ra, za, sin, shin, Sod, Dod, Do, Do. Very good. Let's go through that again. Ha, Kho, Dal, Dal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sod, Dod, To, and Tho. Alhamdulillah, and well done. We have completed our fourth practice exercise. Next time we will be doing our last practice exercise for this lesson, and then we will be moving over to our haraka, which is the different sounds on the letters, inshallah. Continue to practice, and I will see you in the next video. Love and salams.